Hello everybody, sorry it's been a while since I made any videos, but today I'll be changing one of the switches for the feeder, for the PLA being fed into the Anycubic Ace Pro. So first thing is 2.5 to remove these screws. Oh, also before I start, if you noticed on mine, I've already rotated them once, but the PLA starts to eat at this after a while, and so I took this off and then I popped these out and rotated them one and set them back in, because once it eats so far, sometimes the PLA kind of can rub and pull on that and it doesn't feed correctly, and that's how one of my switches ended up getting broke. It was stuck in here, and when I was trying to remove it, the switch actually kind of burst into pieces. So I'm going to be changing the switch in my number 4, my number 3, and unfortunately just those two. I probably need another one for my number 2, but we'll find out. If these two are fixed and the number 2 works fine, we'll see. We'll see if this fixes the problem. Now the switch that I'm actually trying to get to is this right here, and I'll be replacing it with this right here and this one right here, but I'll just do one at a time. And once again, the 2.5 is what you use to remove this bolt and this bolt, and then this whole piece just kind of pops up. And then after that, you just need the flat tip screwdriver to help pop this out with this right here, and then you can just place the other one in its place, and then that's pretty much it. Sorry, I gotta invest in a little bipod or something to hold my camera for me, but anyways, you just pull down to remove this. Then, okay, the next part, it's gonna be hard to do with one hand, but pretty much I take my screwdriver and I stick it back here behind the chip, and then with my other hand, I don't think I'll be able to do this and hold the camera. Let's see. Oh, maybe. This black thing, you gotta press it this way towards my camera, or I guess you would press it in the opposite direction of the chip. But then with the screwdriver, you flick it outwards this way and the chip will pop right. I already started it, but boom, you just do that and the chip comes right off. And as you can see, my other one got blown out. But anyways, then you just take the new one, make sure that the plug, this plug, is facing downwards like so, and then you put the bottom in first. It's kind of hard to show. Hold on. Let me put this down. Anyways, I just set it in, but you set the bottom in first, okay, and then you just kind of press it in, and it'll just kind of slide back in there. Or you can use the screwdriver to lift up the black part a little bit. This black part, lift up the black part a little bit. I can't see what I'm doing, but my goodness, sorry. Anyways, and then you just push, boom, and it's in. Oops, I'm not in all the way. Okay, now it is. Sorry, and that's it. It's locked in place. Locked in place, and then you just plug it back in. And then repeat for the other side. I'm sorry I don't have a little something to hold my camera, but it is hard to do this and record at the same time. So I kind of feel for those guys doing that naked and afraid. But anyways, and there it is. Put back together. Well, that one is. I gotta do the other one. But that's about it. Then you just put your screws back. It's pretty simple. Oh, and one more time, I'll show you guys. Don't forget, when you're putting this back on, that you need the screwdriver to just pass these right here. And then the other ones right here, this right here, this one right here, and that one, that's the last one right here. You might need to use a screwdriver to kind of push the plastic past those, but once you do, it'll just drop back in nice and easy. And that's about it. Just let me button this up real quick. Interesting. I just found an easier way. You don't gotta use a screwdriver at all. Just put this in like this. That side in like that, and then it just kind of goes down. So that's even easier. Just work this side in all by itself, and then the rest of it kind of just fit in place. That's easier than popping it out and just dropping it in. Oh, nice, problem solved. Do it enough and you'll find better ways, always. Have a good one, everyone.